One of the things that I like with the new advanced builder automation feature of Go High Level is this. So I am currently building this automation or workflow. I think you saw this already, but yeah, I'm not yet done with this one. So for this one, I want to add a go-to action step dito sa may pinakababa. Like here. Okay, I'd like to add a go-to action here, action step. Ayan. And then I want to bring it up again hanggang sa pinakauna. So as you can see, ang taas, ano? So I have to go back here, go up again, and then para malink lang ito siya. Ayan, para malink lang yan. Okay, so now it's already linked, okay? But imagine, okay, I have to do that 5 times kasi ang limang to is kailangan siya na, i-lead pabalik doon sa taas, i-go to siya doon sa taas. So, one of the things that I like about the advanced builder is this one. So, if I will change this view to advanced builder, guys, as of recording this video, advanced builder is only available for agency admins for now, okay? Until further, of course, notice to Go High Level. So let me change this to advanced builder, and this is how it looks like in the advanced builder. Ayan. And so dito yung start, yung pinaka-top kanina sa advanced builder. At ito naman yung ito naman yung pinaka-bottom niya. Okay? So, ang pinaka-maganda kasi sa advanced builder is instead of me doing that na parang I have to do it 5 times and then go to dito tapos balik dito sa pinakauna. The good thing of the advanced builder is I can just drag this action step here. Ayan, nakikita niyo ba? Ayan, so pwede ko siya i-drag na lang. Drag ko siya. Ayan, drag natin dito sa pinaka-malapit na action step. Okay, this one right here. You can just drag it here. And the good thing is I can just drag din dito. Ayan. Pwede kong i-highlight itong action step na to here. I can just highlight this one and then I can just left click, right click pala. And then copy. Okay, and then Command V if you're using Mac. Ayan. So as you can see, andito na siya, guys. So you will see here na may error daw in saving workflow, but no worries on that. So ito, we can connect this. Pwede ko itong i-center muna here. And then now I can connect this one. Punta dito. Ayan. Now, let me do it again. Ayan. So I can connect this. Drag ko lang. And then, dito lalagay ko siya dito. Ayan. So connected na yan siya. And then ito rin, I can connect it here. Ayan, so connected na rin yan siya. So click lang natin to and then just save action. Now it's already connected. So nakaka-save siya ng time for me kasi I don't have to go back and forth. So instead I can just drag this action step here and then I can just copy and paste and then mas madali ko silang maiko-connect, di ba? And then later on, if you want to put it back here dun sa pinakauna, we can also do that. But then if we switch naman sa standard builder, ayan. Now, you can see na andito pa rin naman yung first action step. Ayan, andito pa rin siya sa pinakataas. This one. Ayan, andito pa rin siya, yung remove assigned user. And then, tama pa rin naman na no-connect siya doon sa limang action steps sa pinakababa. Which is these 5 action steps right here. So yun siya, guys, isa yun siya sa pinaka nagustuhan ko sa advanced builder automation na feature or bagong update ni Go High Level.